Hello everyone, welcome to SciEase. In the last video, we discussed about the law of conservation of mass. Now here in this video, I am going to discuss the second law of chemical combination, that is law of constant proportion. Lavoisier, along with other scientists, studied that the compounds, they are formed from two or more than two elements. And when this compound that is formed, the elements which are present here, they are in the same ratio irrespective of the source from where that compound has taken or the method by which that compound that is formed. So he explained this by taking water an example. He took water from tap, ocean, lake, pond, and any other source of water, spring, etc. He found that in case of water, hydrogen and oxygen, they are in the ratio of 1:8 by mass. Now, I'm going to explain it. You know the formula of water. It is hydrogen H2O. It is formed from 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. This is one molecule. It is one molecule. If we want to make a drop of water contains number of the molecules of water. Because you know that atoms, they are so small that they can't be seen with the naked eye. They can be seen only with the help of powerful electronic microscope. So, a small drop of water contains large number of the water molecules. You can say hydrogen element and oxygen element. Now, hydrogen, I have told you that there are 2 hydrogen. So, the mass of 2 hydrogen, that is 2U, and mass of oxygen, that is 16U. Okay? So, what will be the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in water molecule? That will be 1/8. So, it is 1/8, or you can say 1:8 by mass. So, in case of water, hydrogen and oxygen are present in the ratio of 1:8 by mass. If we decompose 9 grams of water, this will result in the formation of 1 gram of hydrogen and 8 grams of oxygen. Okay? Now, you can take the case of ammonia, NH3. Here, nitrogen, it has mass 14, 3 hydrogen, 3. So, in case of ammonia, nitrogen and hydrogen are always in the ratio of 14:3 by mass, irrespective of the method by which it is prepared or any source from which it is obtained. So, this is fixed. So, this is the law of constant proportion, and this law was defined by Joseph Proust. What is the definition of this law? In the chemical substance, the elements are always present in the definite proportion by mass. I have told you in case of water, the proportion of hydrogen and oxygen, that is always 1:8, and in case of ammonia, nitrogen and hydrogen, they are present always in the ratio of 14:3 by mass. You can elaborate this law of constant proportion by taking another example. I have taken that carbon dioxide that can be formed from carbon and oxygen. When they react, they result in the formation of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is also formed when calcium carbonate that is decomposed. This will result in the formation of calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Okay, that is CaO plus CO2. In both these cases, first and second case, carbon dioxide is made up of same elements. That is, oxygen and carbon, they are combined together in a fixed ratio, that is 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. So, we can calculate the mass of the carbon over mass of oxygen. Mass of carbon is 12. Oxygen, how many oxygen? 2. So, 1 oxygen mass 16, 2, 32. So, the ratio will come out to be 3 by 8. So, in case of carbon dioxide, carbon and oxygen are always in the ratio of 3:8 by mass. I think the law that is clear to all of you. You can revise it, learn the definition, okay? Because sometimes the laws, they are asked in your exams. So in the next video, I will meet you with another topic. I will take up Dalton's atomic theory, okay? Till then, thank you very much.